Let me ask you something. Have you ever checked your bank account and felt confused about where your money actually went? You didn't buy anything crazy. You didn't travel the world. You didn't get rich. But somehow, your balance still looks sad. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not bad with money. You're just living in a system that never taught you how money really works. And today, I want to talk about that, simply, honestly, and without boring finance talk. Because money problems aren't just about numbers. They're about habits, emotions, and small daily decisions. Let's start here. Most people think financial stress comes from not earning enough, but in reality, it often comes from not understanding how money flows. Money comes in, money goes out, and whatever is left decides your future. Simple, but not easy, especially when life keeps throwing temptations at you. Think about it. Subscriptions you forgot about, small impulse buys, limited time offers, buy now, pay later, credit cards that feel harmless until they're not. Each one looks small, but together they quietly drain your energy and peace of mind. Here's the truth nobody likes to say. Money leaks are more dangerous than big expenses. A coffee here, a delivery fee there, a subscription you barely use. You don't feel the pain immediately, but over time it adds up. And suddenly, you're working hard, but not moving forward. Now let's talk about comparison. Scrolling through your phone, seeing other people traveling, buying cars, upgrading their lifestyle, and you think, what am I doing wrong? But what you're seeing is a highlight reel, not the full story. You don't see their debt, you don't see their stress, you don't see the pressure behind the smile. Comparison is expensive, and it costs more than money. It costs confidence. So what do you do instead? You slow down. Financial control doesn't start with making more money. It starts with awareness. Knowing where your money goes, knowing why you spend, knowing when to say no, even to yourself. Let me give you a simple mindset shift. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Does this support the life I want later?" That one question changes everything, because every dollar you spend is a vote for comfort now or freedom later. Saving money isn't about being cheap, it's about buying yourself options. Options to rest, options to choose, options to say no to things you hate. And no, you don't need to save a lot at once. Small savings matter. Consistency matters. Time matters. Think of saving like planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust the process. You water it, you protect it, and slowly it grows. Now let's talk about mistakes. Everyone makes financial mistakes. Everyone. Buying something impulsively, not planning ahead, ignoring a bill, using credit without understanding interest. The mistake isn't the problem. Repeating the mistake without learning is. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about adjustment. You notice what didn't work, you correct it, you move forward. Another important lesson. Patience beats shortcuts. Fast money promises, easy hacks, get-rich-quick ideas. Most of them cost you time, money, or trust. Real financial stability is boring, and that's a good thing. It's steady, predictable, quiet. No drama, no panic, no constant stress. When you track your expenses, something powerful happens. You stop guessing. You stop worrying. You start deciding. Money becomes a tool, not a threat. And one day, without a big announcement, you realize something has changed. You check your balance calmly. You're not afraid of bills. You're not chasing every temptation. You're in control. And here's the best part. Once you understand money, you can help others understand it too. Your family, your friends, your future self. Because financial literacy isn't about being rich, It's about being prepared. So, if you're feeling behind, confused, or tired of stressing about money, you're not late. You're right on time. Start small. Stay consistent. Choose progress over perfection. Your future doesn't need you to be perfect. It just needs you to start. And this is your first step.